everyone. Welcome to this week's topic. It is going to be for making our beautiful balanced butterflies. Now, I'm telling us that we're going to create these gorgeous symmetrical butterflies, and here is an example. This is my symmetrical butterfly that I made as my example, and if you came to the live lesson, you probably saw it looking a little bit different because I hadn't quite finished it yet. But now this one's all done, and I'm going to show you how to create one of your own. So, I say, hello, my wonderful artists. I miss you all so much, and I really do miss you guys so much. You're all a big part of my life since I've been here at King's Trail, and I hope you know that I think about each and every single one of you guys all the time. If you would ever like to talk to me or your classmates, you can always come over here to your team and go to your grade, and you can go right into Student Space. It's going to be this channel here, and when you go into Student Space, you can post messages to me and say hello, and I'll go ahead and I'll like the messages, and I can reply to them as well. So make sure that you guys are using Student Space if you have questions for me, or even if you just want to talk and show me some of the art that you've done. So for week 6, we're going to go to the week 6 channel. You can go up to the top of the post. And we are this week going to review balance. Balance means the way that the elements of art are arranged on a piece of artwork. So what we're going to be doing is looking at why balance is important in art and how you can create different kinds of balance. So the simpler way you can say that is kind of the way things are placed, put on a work of art in relationship to other things in the work of art. So there are multiple kinds of balance. You can take a look at this worksheet here to review 3 kinds of balance. Now we have symmetrical balance. You can create symmetrical balance when you evenly place images on both sides of a midline. The midline is going to be straight up and down. So what you can do is you can actually take your paper and you can fold it in half, and that half is going to be the midline. And then we're going to do something the same on this side as we do on this side. That's how you create symmetrical balance. There's also asymmetrical balance. You create asymmetrical balance when you balance by size, weight, and variety of images, but not evenly from the midline. So you can tell that this, which is from our assignment last week, it is from our gorgeous abstract art with different forms on it, that when I fold this guy in half, it's not the same on both sides. Here on this side, we have a rectangular prism, a cube. And here on this side, we have a triangular cone. And those two things aren't the same at all. So this is not symmetrical, it is asymmetrical. Now there's also a third kind of balance called radial balance. Radial balance is when you can look at something and it will create radial balance when shapes are repeated evenly from the center outward. So when you look really closely at this, there's radial balance because it is evenly repeated. All of these little heart shapes are repeated evenly from the middle, which looks like a circle, all the way around this whole thing. So those are the 3 different kinds of balance. What we're going to be focusing on this week is symmetrical balance. Now when you go back to the team, here's also a video that you can watch on your own that talks about the different kinds of balance. But it's everything that I just explained, so I'm not going to play it here, okay? And here again, it's color-coded, and you can look at symmetrical as in orange, asymmetrical is in red, and radial is in yellow. So radial is this kind of balance, this is symmetrical, and this one is asymmetrical. And this week we are doing symmetrical butterflies. And here is a great video. Please go and click on this video to watch how to get the exact shapes and forms right for the butterfly. But instead of watching that video, what we're going to do is create that together. I should have somewhere around here